How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can switch back to a professional account on your Instagram. So let's say your Instagram is in professional mode and you don't want that. You simply want your Instagram to be on a personal mode. What you'll have to do is simply tap on the Instagram app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply go to your profile by tapping the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, as you can see, this is a professional account. So if you want to switch it back to a personal account, what you'll have to do is simply tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on the option settings. Now go to account, and then if you scroll down, you can see the option switch account type. Simply tap on it, and then it will basically provide you two different options. You can either switch to a personal account or you can switch to a business account. So since we are here to switch back to our personal account, we'll simply tap on it, and then a confirmation will appear where you'll have to tap on the option switch to personal account, and then it'll take some time, and once it is switched, it'll simply say switch to professional account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.